Welcome to our channel. If you're tired of ads interrupting your YouTube experience, subscribing to YouTube Premium is a great way to enjoy ad-free content along with some additional benefits. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to subscribe to YouTube Premium. Step 1. Open YouTube. Begin by opening the YouTube app on your mobile device or navigating to the YouTube website on your desktop. Step 2. Sign in to your account. If you are not already signed in, click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page and enter your Google account credentials. Step 3. Access the YouTube Premium page. Once signed in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. In the drop-down menu, look for the option that says Get YouTube Premium or YouTube Premium and click on it. Step 4. Review benefits and pricing. You will be directed to a page that outlines the benefits of YouTube Premium, such as ad-free videos, background play, and access to YouTube Music. Take a moment to read through these features and the subscription cost. Step 5. Start your free trial, if available. YouTube often offers a free trial for new subscribers. If a free trial is available, click on the button that says Try it free or similar. If not, proceed to select a payment plan. Step 6. Enter payment information. You will be required to enter your payment details. Fill out the necessary fields with your credit card information, billing address, and any other required information. Ensure that you provide accurate details to avoid any issues. Step 7. Confirm your subscription. After entering your payment information, review your order summary. Make sure everything is correct and then click on Join or Subscribe to finalize your subscription. Step 8. Enjoy YouTube Premium. Once you have successfully subscribed, you will receive a confirmation. Now you can enjoy ad-free videos, offline downloads, and other premium features. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Thank you for following along, and enjoy your ad-free YouTube experience.